Hi guys, Phil here from STV Sydney Trains Vlogs. I'm here at Central Sydney Terminal and just looking between platforms 9 and 10 here. The middle stabling track has been replaced with nice new cement sleepers. There were rotten wood sleepers before, and also new tracks. So it's looking pretty good. Can't really go to the edge of the platform because of the tape here, and also don't think you can see it. I'll zoom in anyway. There's gates just there stopping passengers from actually going onto those platforms, same as platforms 12 and 13. I'll take a walk up there and see if I can get any more footage for you guys. If you can see there on the track on platform number 10, they're actually slowly pulling that track up the track somewhere. There's a little machine here picking up one of the rails. Welcome to the Track Work Trains Vlogs channel. Not really. Anyway guys, I'm going to wrap this vlog up now. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and favourite the video. I'll see you all next time. Bye for now.